bring it for me, please. All right, guys, this is not gonna work. Our host, this guy, is gonna ask us questions. Failure to answer the questions. Failing to answer results. Failing to answer correctly or failing to...
Well, failing to answer and failing to answer correctly.
No, but here why the correctly thing don't make sense.
Right.
Because she
No,
can answer
no,
right.
I'd never do that.
I can answer right and I just tell her she wrong.
You wouldn't do that, though. You're a man of honor.
No, I wouldn't do that. But you understand me?
Yeah.
All right,
All right, so if you
let's
get the
go.
question wrong, your face go into this, ladies and gentlemen.
And this is flour, by the way. So,
Well, I know.
We're not
On the
camera
shore.
here first.
On the shore.
for the record, it's powdery, not crystalline.
Where's the...
What do you joke?
Ik krijg wat. Wees me go up and get back and say, good evening.
Hey, right?
I won't do that.
I don't even know what you just did, but... All right, I'm taking my hand and make first.
To the shore
You know?
after
Oh, yeah.
Because, you know, around here you have to be resourceful.
Facts.
Can you blow my mind?
Really? Just before we dip your face in the flour?
Dumpling.
All right, come on.
Ready.
Let's go.
Me go first. Ask me the question first.
What is Nephril's greatest pet peeve? Lateness.
Right.
Wait, is that right? That kind of donkey?
No, not yet. Osh.
Wait, I don't know what his greatest pet peeve is. I'd change my answer.
No, because you want to say no. But if you're wrong, is you will get donkey.
Right. So,
You forget.
give thanks. You're correct. Give thanks.
Okay.
He's a cook. All right.
All right. The next question is... Neville, what is Simone's favorite color?
Purple.
Wrong.
She lied.
Wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Simone, it's purple.
You have gone down today.
No, that's it.
I have it on.
What's your favorite color?
Burgundy.
Simone, your favorite color is purple.
I changed it last week.
Thank you. Her favorite
No,
color
I
is
love fall colors. All right, you can't. Okay.
Her favorite
You would
color
know- okay.
is purple.
All right.
Thank
Up to last
Really
week.
burgundy, but
Is
it's
it
going to work.
up to last week?
Because purple, I like fall colors. So purple's burgundies. So since you get it, I'm going to give it to you.
Thank you.
All right, what's the next
Ooh,
one?
what a relief. Neville, what is Simone's favorite color?
We say it already, purple.
Yeah, we know.
And by the way, you can't rank.
Wear glasses, you know, see
You
that
can't
thing
rhyme
there,
not
by the
with purple, yeah?
Come, go on again.
What was the name of the he said, she said topic on Monday's show?
Yes, man. Don't
True love still exists. Ah!
Hey, up top,
Oi,
Simone.
touch
Up
me
top,
there,
up top, up top.
See me here, youth.
Oh, me can't.
Well done.
Okay, next.
Next question. As we wait patiently.
We don't mind that. We'll run out the clock.
What was the name of the song that you both danced to during the Christmas show in 2022?
Hold on, make I explain something now. She get something where happened Monday, and me get something where happened 2 years ago.
Because you have the better memory, we know
What do you
this.
mean we dance to it? Wait, no, hang on, I have to come and do that. Wait.
Oh,
Which-
no, Augusto.
Yes?
Is this
You never
gentleman
see the
must...
original video?
Yeah, but...
Yeah, but we make our own original video.
This is not even your morning.
Oh, my arm, I can't do it.
Relax, get set.
Go.
Can anybody tell me why I love this woman? Anybody, please? By the way, what is the answer?
Yeah, we really
What is the
know. What is the answer?
2022? That
No,
is
that-
wickedness cave.
No one in the
What's the
past.
And if she do that to you, that means she's about to do it to me.
Yeah, man. So
No,
let's
but
prepare.
why she get one from Monday, which is 4 days
Wow,
ago?
you're shedding.
Let me nose it there.
Oh my God. Woo! All right, next question. God, what's the
Name Neville's favorite reggae artist.
Kind of fool.
Bob Marley.
Yeah, them are gear things that she must know.
Okay, I love you so much.
Well, it changed yesterday.
No,
Well, we heard about the same.
It changed yesterday to
I
berries.
mean, Bob is his favorite reggae artist. It's not Bears, it's Bob.
But we hear about a while ago.
Yeah, because everybody says Bears, because Bears is my best friend, but it's...
Bob,
Well, it's the two of them still, but I can work with one.
See, the flower got in my nose.
Why
Is
is
it
it throwing on Neville's side of the table? All right, let's go. Come on, man.
Next one.
That's the last
That's the last one?
No, sir. And Simone don't get dunk? No,
All right,
sir.
ask me a question.
So, I want to ask me one from 2020.
Hold on, no?
Is that right?
Ask me a
Is
question.
that right? I assume.
Well, okay. It was good while it lasted.
Yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Just pour it in your nose, because, yeah, just
No. You see, one of the things we were really trying to figure out was the logistics as far as makeup is concerned.
Concerned.
And now we don't need to figure that out anymore.
Yeah.
As my face is still.
All right, there we go. That was our something to smile
too
about.
good, too nice.